Hello, JSerra. Welcome to this quarantine edition of the Lion Report. I'm Max.
And I'm Julian. And our first segment of the day is Annie drawing a portrait.
Quarantine might be hard for all of us. So today, I just want to give you guys some new ideas of what you can do while staying home. I'm gonna do a portrait for a celebrity for today. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is a celebrity I'm gonna be doing for today. And this is the final outcome of my artwork.
Thanks for the amazing segment, Annie.
So, Julian, do you know how to make pasta bolognese?
I do not.
Well, luckily, Caitlin has a segment explaining that, so you can get your stomach full.
Let's go check it out.
Thanks, Caitlin, for that amazing segment.
Hey, Max, do you miss sports?
I really do.
Well, luckily for us, Dean made an informative segment detailing what has happened in the world of sports.
Let's go check it out.
Thanks, Dean. Hey, Max, what's up next?
Well, we're shifting gears here to where Aidan and his buddies made an 8-foot-long skateboard.
Oh, man, I can't wait to check this one out.
Thanks, Aidan, for that colossal skateboard.
Well, on the topic of switching gears, we're going to switch one more time and go check out the segment made by ASL.
Count to 3 and say a prayer. Down for love and up for air. Underwater overjoyed. Water for a thirsty soul. Water for a thirsty soul. Baptize me into your love. Oh, my spirit's overcome. Body, mind, and skin and bone. Love, I'm gonna make it known. Love, I'm gonna make it known. Yeah, I'm coming alive with you. I'm coming alive with you. I was living a lie till you. I'm coming alive with you. All the people say, all the people say, Resurrection day is here. Bells are ringing loud and clear. Caterpillar to a butterfly. Listen to another life. Listen to another life. Yeah, I'm coming alive with you. I'm coming alive with you. I was living a lie till you. I'm coming alive with you. All the people say, all the people say, from death to life, from dark to light. I'm saying that tonight. You're in my blood, my veins, in every word I pray. You gave it all for me. I'll give it all for you. Oh, I'm in love with you, overwhelmed by you. And if the world is listening, this is my confession. You are my obsession. All the people say, all the people say, from death to life, from dark to light. I'm saying that tonight.
That's all we have for you today, JSerra. We're going to end the show with more senior send-offs. I'm Julian.
And I'm Max. Thanks for watching.
Dear Class of 2020, it's been a real pleasure to have taught you this year. I wish you all the best of luck. It has been challenging, but we've all come through with flying colours, and I'm confident you're all going to do really well in your AP exams that are coming up shortly. So take care of yourselves, keep in touch, it's always nice to hear from you. God bless you all, you'll be in my prayers. Take care.
Okay, hi class of 2020, this is Mrs. Hemphill. I just wanted to say congratulations on your graduation. I know this is a little different, but my classroom is a little different too. And one thing I learned when I was in high school, which was a very long time ago, is this quote, and it sticks with me to this day. And that quote is, "Optimism is contagious." So as much as the COVID is contagious, take into life that if you're optimistic, you will get through. So class of 2020, congratulations. And to my students that I had sophomore and junior year, you are so loved.
Hey seniors, I just want to wish you good luck in the future, and I'm so disappointed that we weren't able to send you all off this year, but I just know there's going to be great things in the future for you. So just know that I've loved having you in my classes in the last 4 years, and I just want to wish you good luck in the future.
Hello, beloved seniors, Mr. Cal here. Best of luck to you as you transition onward. God bless you, and know that you have lived through one of the most bizarre times in the history of this country. Take care, bye.
Hey seniors, congratulations. I want to say that I miss you, and I wish you all the best, and go light the world on fire.
Hey JSerra, Mrs. Corey here. Want to give a shout out to the seniors. You made it through this year, you can make it through anything. Just to let you know, I'm sitting on my bed just like you guys have been doing for the last 2 months doing your homework. Take care and peace out.
JSerra Lions class of 2020, congratulations, you made it. If you can make it through this, you can make it through anything. Go Lions.
Hi, seniors. Congratulations on graduating. I know this is not the graduation you expected, but I hope you're still proud of your accomplishments. I wish you nothing but the best going forward. Happy summer, and don't be a stranger next year. Bye.
JSerra class of 2020, you got places to go you haven't been yet, and faces I tell you still haven't met. Thank you for this wonderful journey. I'll see you guys soon. I love y'all. Take care, and God bless.
Hey guys, it's Mr. Chafion here. Just want to say congratulations to the class of 2020, 21 years after I graduated high school. Thanks for the memories. Thanks for all the sporting events, baseball, basketball, soccer, football, volleyball, theater, everything. So just want to say good luck in college, all right? All right, make sure you work hard, make sure you study hard, make sure all the lessons you learned here at JSerra you take to college. That's going to be key, all right? But last is don't forget about us, all right? Because we won't forget about you. I can promise you that. All these teachers, they won't forget about you. So, go to college, have fun, study hard, and then come back, say hi to us, all right? Make sure you do well, but most importantly, you do good, all right? See ya.
Hi seniors. Usually on the last day of school I read a children's story, and it's called Under the Big Sky, and it's all these little lessons this young man learns along the way to inherit his grandfather's greatest gift, which is the meaning of life. And it's such a lovely tale, and I'm so sad that I can't read it to you this year. So I was trying to think of what I could send you off with, and I was reading poems this morning, and as I was reading them I just started blubbering. So I'm just going to just tell you that, guys, that I really enjoyed having you as long as I had you this year, and you are a truly beautiful and wonderful group of people. And I am excited to see what you do to make this world a better place, and I sincerely mean that. I've been at JSerra for 5 years now, and every year I've taught seniors, and you guys are one of the most cohesive and kind groups of seniors that we've had. So I don't think anybody else could have handled this terrible situation with as much grace as you guys have. So I wish you the best, I miss you the most, and take care.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Good job, seniors. And remember, think it through.